Hi everyone, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And guess what I have? The Liberty Box 2025 from Fat Quarter Shop. And I hope you'll join me for the unboxing. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm so grateful that you decided to join me for the Liberty Box 2025 unboxing. That's exciting because this is the second year I've decided to purchase the Liberty Box and do an unboxing for you. And I do have to say, Fat Quarter Shop did an amazing job with this one. Really, really good value. I'm really excited, and there might still be some available if you're interested. Just go check out Fat Quarter Shop's website and see if they still have a Liberty Box available. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that I will be moving. You know, you guys see me in this little corner of my craft room. This craft room is about 90 by 90 square feet. It's not very big. It's in the corner of my living room. And I'm finally going to have a full entire room just for sewing, quilting, and filming. That's going to happen at the end of this month. I have about 8 days to move everything into a different apartment in the same building where I'm at. But I'm just excited because I've been wanting this space for quite some time. It's really hard to have a hobby like sewing and quilting and not have enough room in order to work and to organize. And as you can see, I do my best with organization, but it could be a lot better. Just to help myself organize, I need a second sewing station, so that'll be helpful. And I will have a dedicated pressing station. That way I can do cutting, piecing, and then turn around and do some sewing. I'm just really excited about having a new space to explore and doing everything on a dime. I use a lot of IKEA furniture. I have found a really cool workbench for sewing, cutting, pressing on the Home Depot's website. I did go to the store to check it out. It's 24 inches by 56 inches. It also has these really long, narrow drawers that would be perfect for rulers, cutting instruments, all sorts of things that you would need at a pressing cutting station. And because it's adjustable height, so when I crank it, it goes up and down. And if I want to, I can choose to stand and sew or sit and sew, or stand and cut or sit and cut. Or I could even use it to film my videos. About $299 on sale. I may get it, I may not be able to get it. We'll see how it goes. Okay, let's get to the unboxing of the limited edition Fat Quarter Shop Liberty Box. Now this one came UPS instead of post office, and they had a little bit too much fun tossing it around. I have some nice concave textures here. I did have to pull the label off the front so you could at least see what the writing said on it. It's such a pretty box. But you know what? I'm just grateful it came in one piece and I got it at a fairly decent time. All right, let's see what's in here. Of course, we know what the theme is. It is a Liberty Box. But it looks like if we place a $40 order at Fat Quarter Shop, we get a 5-inch stacker from Lori Holt. And I really like it because it's 4th of July colors. So the first item in this box is a beautiful enamel charm by Lori Holt. Americana Flag Enamel Happy Charm, valued at $7.48. The Americana Flag Enamel Happy Charm by Lori Holt for Riley Blake Designs is a splendid way to spruce up your bags and totes. You can attach it to your keychain, luggage, or project bag, or use it to jazz up the celebration mini cooler in this box. It's guaranteed to bring a smile to your face. As a light-hearted tribute to Independence Day, the sweet charm is an excellent addition to your summer accessories. It's beautiful. I really like it a lot. So the next item in the box is something I find a lot of value in, whether it's Sew Sampler or the limited edition boxes that Fat Quarter Shop has. And that is a spool of thread. Yes! 50 weight superior Pima denim blue cotton thread, valued at $11.98. This 50 weight superior Pima cotton thread in denim blue is literally as American as blue jeans. Made from American-grown Pima cotton and boasting a generous 1,200 yards, this thread is perfect for piecing, quilting, and general sewing. The rich denim blue hue was especially chosen to match the binding in the gleaming quilt and works as a top or bobbin thread in your sewing machine. Show off your love for all things Americana with every stitch you sew. Like I said, I love getting thread in these boxes, and 1,200 yards is great. This is the second time we've gotten a product from Superior Threads. The first one came in a Sew Sampler box, and this one came in the Liberty box. So the next item in this box I thought was really cool. Kind of reminds me of Tupperware a little bit. You guys, you know that I sell Tupperware. I'm on a little bit of a hiatus right now, but in July I'm going to kind of get back into it. But they always have free gifts when you're a hostess, and a lot of times they have coolers or really cool ways that you can tote your Tupperware to a picnic. It just kind of has that vibe, even though this is on a smaller scale. It is a Celebration mini cooler bag. How cool is that? Valued at $15.48. The Celebration mini cooler bag is a perfect companion for a sunny summer picnic or a day out with friends. It's got room for a 6-pack of soda and boasts a festive array of 4th of July icons that make it an instant favorite. The insulated material keeps your snacks and drinks refreshingly cool for hours. Exclusively available in this Liberty box, this cooler isn't just cute, it's super functional tool. I can't tell you how awesome it is to have cooler bags, especially if you ever make quick trips to the grocery store and you need something to keep frozen items cool. It's always nice to have a cooler bag in your trunk or anywhere else. You just never know, and especially as it gets warmer outside. Actually, here in Wisconsin, it gets really hot in July and August, even in September. It's nice to have something to keep things cool. And Fat Quarter Shop always does a great job at finding really unique things to put in these boxes. And by the way, you guys, the Liberty box is my absolute favorite box that they make. The Cupid box was decent, but the Liberty box is always my favorite. Look at how cute this is. I love it. And it's lined with that material to keep it cold. That's super cute. It's perfect for a 6-pack, no doubt. Now, I don't drink, but for a 6-pack of soda. And it even has a little Fat Quarter Shop label on here. Very cute. I'm very excited to have this in the box. I think it's a great addition. So the next item in this box is a Stars and Stripes mini cutting mat. Didn't we just get a mini cutting mat like about 3 or 4 or so sampler boxes ago? I think it was a holiday box, like around December or January maybe. It was from Lori Holt. It's okay, you can have more than one. I just don't want to have more than 5. But here we go. I like the colors on this one though. This is valued at $10.98. Oh, say can you see how cute the Stars and Stripes mini cutting mat by Fat Quarter Shop is? This portable 5x7 cutting mat flaunts a double-scaled American flag inspired design. One side features red and white stripes, perfect for cutting darker fabrics, and one side is dark blue that makes lighter fabrics pop. Both sides have stars at the half-inch mark for a notion that salutes your quilty creativity. Sometimes for paper crafting, these are really handy, but for quilting, it's really nice too, especially if you have a little piecing to do. But isn't this cute? It's got stripes on one side with the red and white and stars on the other side. And yes, this would be great for cutting light fabrics, and this would be great for cutting dark fabrics. It's nice to have them. I like this one even better than the one that was red and green. I think it's super cute. The next item in this box is a pattern. Gleaming Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop, valued at $9.98. Make it happy 4th with the Gleaming Quilt Pattern, an exclusive star-spangled quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop that can only be found in this Liberty box. Featuring 12 stunning stars, this design is not only a showstopper, but also works perfectly with the Fat Quarter bundle included in this box. Spoiler. It also meets the size requirements for Quilts of Valor, and is a classic design that will honor a hero. Light up your summer quilting with a gleam this 4th of July. Their patterns are awesome, you guys. It even shows you what you need for binding, backing, and background fabric on the back. The fabric that comes in this box is phenomenal, and I can't wait to share that with you. Oh, real quickly, Fat Quarter Shop sent me an email saying that there was an update to this pattern. So if you did get this box this month, make sure you check your email because there was an addendum to the pattern. And the next item in this box are 12 fat quarters from Riley Blake Designs. That is awesome to get that much fabric in a box. Gleaming Stars and Stripes Forever Fat Quarter Bundle by Lori Whitlock for Riley Blake Designs, a value at $34.48. Wow. Celebrate America's birthday with a bang. Dive into Stars and Stripes Forever by Lori Whitlock for Riley Blake Designs, featuring charming motifs like little red trucks, flags, fireworks, glass jar, bouquets, balloons, and more. We've handpicked a 12-piece Fat Quarter bundle in stunning red, white, and blue. Your next quilt project, perhaps? It'll be a real showstopper. This is exciting. And let's see the fabric design right here. So what do you guys think? Is this an awesome 4th of July surprise? I have never not liked a Liberty box from Fat Quarter Shop. This is by far my most favorite box that they make outside of Sew Sampler. I'm happy to say it's worth $90.38, which would be a savings of $35.38. To get a fat quarter bundle with 12 fat quarters, that's enough to make a full-size quilt. That's unbelievable to me. The value in this box is great. The creativity. I hope you like that I put everything in the cooler bag. I just think it's super cute that way, even though the box is awesome. And I love the thread. This is a great blue. It's nice to build your thread collection with stuff in these boxes. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for curating these awesome boxes. Like I said, the Liberty box is my favorite, and 2025 is a bang. So let me know in the comments below, you guys, which was your favorite item in this box. Was it the thread? Was it the cooler bag? Was it the fat quarter bundle? Was it the pattern? Was it the charm? That was $74. I'm just kidding. If you guys see my bloopers, you'll see that. This was a filming where I had a lot of bloopers today. Don't ask me why. No, the charm for $7.48. That's a really great deal, and it's a beautiful charm. I just think this box is such a great deal. So make sure if you want one of them, go to Fat Quarter Shop and see if they still have Liberty boxes available. Generally, they have them up usually till the end of June. It just depends on how famous they are. If people start posting videos like this and everyone says it's awesome, everyone's gonna go out and buy it because it is a great value. Well, on that note, you guys, I'm going to thank you from the bottom of my heart for following me here on the Quilting Camper. I also want to remind you guys to think of my friends at Bigsby Sewing Center. They are a really great resource for Bernina machines, Bernette machines, long arms by Bernina, as well as accessories, notions, and awesome fabric. I will make sure I have their entire description of where they're located, what their website is, and also their phone number in case you'd like to get in touch with them. They can be there as a great resource for all your needs in sewing, quilting, and creativity. Also, make sure if you want to find out what's going on in my world, check my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. I do have to apologize. It's been about a month since I've updated it. I've just been very busy preparing for my move and trying to get things together, although it doesn't feel like I've gotten much together in here. I will even do a video tour, I think, on my YouTube shorts so you can see that process. Remember, we're building a community here of kindness, sharing creativity. So that means I need you to give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw today. Also leave a comment below and share my videos and subscribe. Hitting that subscribe button makes a huge difference on YouTube for the Quilting Camper. And any other videos that you watch, by the way. If there's a YouTuber that you love on these channels, make sure you always subscribe to their channel and give them a thumbs up. Just because it helps motivate our videos to be shared with more people. The more people that see our videos, the more that we can make a difference. Okay, everyone, I so appreciate you following me here on this journey. Until the next one, bye for now! Gross, there's something on my lip. I ate some grapes before I came on. Let's do that again. It's a cute little charm. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have been on Weight Watchers and I'm not having the best success. So instead of having a cookie or a sweet before I film, I'm eating grapes because grapes considered a 0 in the Weight Watchers world. And I keep spitting things out. Okay, let's take a drink of water and try that again. A value for $74. Wow, prices really went up. Those tariffs are really hard. This 50 weight superior peanut. Huh? I didn't say that, but it almost came out. 50 weight superior Pima denim cotton. 50 weight superior This 50 weight superior, there's more grapes coming out. Oh, this is embarrassing. Sound check. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.